Revolutionize your physique with this mind-blowing 5-minute yoga technique. Are you tired of spending hours at the gym, trying to transform your body? Well, what if I told you you could revolutionize your physique with a mind-blowing 5-minute yoga technique? Introducing the surprising 5-minute yoga trick that will transform your body in no time. This technique focuses on unlocking your body's hidden potential, then come back up, standing tall through a series of simple yet effective poses. First, start by standing tall and grounding yourself. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing your body to relax and your mind to calm. Next, slowly bend forward, reaching your hands towards the ground. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Hold this pose for a few seconds, and then come back up, standing tall once again. Now, could you get down on all fours and move into a cat-cow pose? Arch your back like a cat, and then slowly lift your chest towards the ceiling, like a cow. Feel the flexibility in your spine increasing with each movement. Next, let's move into a downward-facing dog pose. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Feel the stretch in your calves and hamstrings as you lengthen your spine. From now on, please sit down and extend your legs in front of you. Lastly, lie down on your back and bring your knees towards your chest. Hug your knees tight and gently rock side to side, massaging your lower back and releasing any tension. And just like that, in just 5 minutes, you've transformed your body with this surprising yoga trick. By practicing this technique regularly, you'll notice increased flexibility, improved posture, and a strengthened core. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing content like this, remember to comment and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing techniques to revolutionize your physique. Remember, a healthier, fitter you is just a few minutes away with this surprising 5-minute yoga trick.